In this video, we're going to go over how to take a timed exam in WebWork. So first of all, you have to log into WebWork. And down here we have a sample test to take. Notice that the test is currently open, and then we have the due date for the exam. You must log on and take the test before the due date and the time. So opening this test, notice a few things here. First of all, in the upper right hand corner you have your timer. So this lets you know how much time you have left to submit your answers. For this particular test, you have 5 attempts to have your answers checked. So what you'll do is you'll go through, answers all of the questions that you can, and then you'll click grade the test. Then you'll see your correct answers and your incorrect answers. You can do that up to 5 times for this particular example that we have. On the 5th attempt, the test will be closed and those answers will be recorded. So let's take a look at this. The first problem here, our answer is -10. Now suppose we'll get some answers incorrect. Let's see what happens when we get some answers wrong and click on grade our test. So this one's asking us to factor this polynomial. Suppose we factor it incorrectly. Okay, so there it's factored incorrectly. And then for this one we're looking for the domain of this function. The domain of this one will be from 11 to infinity. Suppose we get that one incorrect also. So now you can preview your test by clicking on the preview button. Now that does not take away from one of your graded attempts at the test. It's just previewing our answers. You don't have to do that, but you can. And let's see what happens when we click on grade the test. Alright, so we see up here we have 1 out of 3 questions correct. Notice that we now have only 4 attempts remaining on this test. And it's telling us we got the first one right, second one is incorrect, and the third one is incorrect. So let's fix this second one. And let's not fix that one. Let's click on grade the test again. Now notice that we have 2 out of 3 correct. And we now have 3 attempts remaining on this test. First one is right, second one is right, and the third one is still incorrect. So let's fix that one finally. And we'll click on grade. Now we have everything correct, and if you have everything correct, you can log out and all your answers are recorded. Once again, you can click on the grade test button for this particular test up to 5 times. Please make sure you click on the grade test button at least 1 time before the timer expires. Once the timer expires, it will record your last attempt. So if you only click the button 3 times, when the time expires, it will record that 3rd attempt. And that's how you take a test in WebWork.